In this video, I will show you how you can put your iPad Air into recovery mode. Now to do that, first of all, you will need the charging cable of your iPad. Now just connect one end of your charging cable to your laptop or to your PC. Now you don't have to do anything on your laptop or on your PC. Just connect one end of the cable to your laptop, then grab the other end of the charging cable and plug it to your iPad. Now after you connect your iPad to your computer using the charging cable, now your iPad might ask you to enter the password of the lock screen of your iPad. Just select trust and enter the passcode of the lock screen. And after you do that, you will connect your iPad with your laptop. Now for the next step, just grab your iPad. Now just press and release the volume up button and the volume down button. Then quickly press and hold the side button on your iPad until the screen goes black and the recovery icon appears on the screen. Now just keep pressing holding the side button and release your finger as your iPad enters into recovery mode. Just like that. And this is how you can put your iPad into recovery mode. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.